cars yet. Go with a winner.
Welcome to another unboxing. We have one Hot Wheels box by the loyal subjects to open. These have never made it to New Zealand, and although an older release now, there is a hope, a glimmer, we may eventually see them here. There are 18 in the series to collect, with 5, 2 and 12s, 1, 1 and 12, 2, 1 and 24s, 2, 1 and 48s, 2, 1 and 96s, 3 different Club 28s, and 3 different golds. But on to only box. It's Twinduction.
New Hot Wheels.
So although the scale of these differs from the original Hot Wheels releases, these are for the most part true to their source material. With free-flowing and independent wheels, they're a larger scale must for those with the originals and Hot Wheels fans alike. Even those morbidly curious would likely delve back in for more. With the majority of the rear ratio cars, they're mostly colour variants and unlikely to trigger series completionists. But for now, that's our unboxing.
How you feeling?
Okay.
Got a little something for you.
Hot Wheels.